I got my H4 EAD in less than 100 days. And no, it wasn't luck. If you are on H4 EAD, save this now. Quick disclaimer, I'm not an immigration expert, just someone who's lived this journey not once but twice. If you haven't watched part 1, go watch it for context. But quick recap, we were running against time, my husband lost his job, and his H1B visa process with a new employer was underway. And my H4 EAD had to be filed separately, which usually means longer timelines. So instead of waiting, we took control and did things differently. After extensive research, this is exactly how we did it. 1. Filing strategy. We found out where my husband's H1 plus my H4 bundle application is being processed. And we prepared for my H4 EAD standalone application simultaneously, so that it could be submitted as close as possible in timing to the exact same location. Even though nothing was guaranteed, we still wanted to give ourselves the best possible chance. 2. Expedite request submission. We just didn't sit and wait. We proactively reached out, called USCIS, and raised an expedite request through their virtual support assistant, Emma, and kept tracking it closely. 3. Local Congress representative support. We reached out to the local Congress office, we filled out their immigration support form on the website, and submitted an application with all the supporting documents, explaining our overall situation. They were responsive and helped escalate our case to USCIS. 4. Strong documentation. We created a complete supporting packet. Role importance. A letter from my employer stating the criticality of my role and the impact of my job loss to the company. Financial obligations, mortgage, timelines, new H1B filing due to job loss, our visas expiring, government shutdown, everything clearly explained. And then we waited. Weeks went by, and honestly, the stress was building up again. In the middle of all this, I hit a breaking point and decided to get my life back on track. And then one day, the status changed. Case approved. After everything, it finally worked out. This journey taught me one thing. There's no single perfect formula. People will tell you, this center is faster, this works, that doesn't. But the truth is, what matters is resilience, taking action, doing whatever you can in control, and pivoting wherever needed. I have been on both sides in the last 4 years, waiting and figuring it out. I really felt my story needed to be told, so I could help thousands of you going through the same. I have created a detailed document with the exact steps I followed to get my H4 EAD in less than 100 days. Comment H4 and I'll share it with you. If you are on this journey right now, I see you and I'm here for you. Follow me for more real and unfiltered stories on growth and rebuilding your life.